Hello guys, welcome back to DevOps Desk. In this video, I will show you how to install PuTTY and PuTTYgen on Windows machine. This tutorial is beginner friendly and very important if you are learning AWS, Linux or DevOps. Let's start from the basics and go step by step. So before installing anything, let's understand what PuTTY and PuTTYgen are. PuTTY is a free SSH client for Windows machine, and it allows us to securely connect from a Windows system to a Linux server like an AWS EC2 instance or Azure VM. PuTTYgen is a key generation and conversion tool. So generally, PuTTYgen will convert .pem key to .ppk file because AWS provides a .pem key file, but PuTTY requires a .ppk file. So PuTTYgen is used to convert .pem to .ppk, which is mandatory for authentication when using PuTTY. Now let's download PuTTY. Open your browser and search for PuTTY official website. Remember, always download PuTTY from the official site only to avoid malware. Since we are using Windows 11, download the 64-bit installer on your machine. So this single installer includes PuTTY, PuTTYgen. Once downloaded, let's install it. Go to your downloads and search for the file PuTTY is downloaded or not. Now double click the downloaded installer. Click next, next, and continue with the default options and click on finish to install and wait for a few seconds. Once installation is complete, search for PuTTY in the start menu. You can see PuTTY is installed here. Now let me clarify PuTTYgen because many beginners get confused here. So to install PuTTYgen, go to your browser and search for PuTTYgen. Open the official PuTTY website link here and scroll down and read this how to use PuTTYgen. The important thing is you do not need to install PuTTYgen separately. Once PuTTY is installed, PuTTYgen is installed automatically. You can simply search for PuTTYgen in the start menu and open it. So let me search in search menu PuTTYgen. Here, open it. Here you can see PuTTYgen. Okay. Now we will convert this .pem file into .ppk file. Let's see how we can convert it. Open PuTTYgen from the start menu. Click on load and select your .pem file. If you don't see the file, change the file type to all files. Then you can find the .pem file. Select this, open. Once loaded, click on save private key. Sometimes you have to generate and click on save private key. Okay. Ignore the warning and save the file as .ppk only. So I am saving it as a DevOps keeper. This .ppk file will be used by PuTTY for our SSH login to EC2 instance. In the next video, we will explore basic Linux commands inside EC2. Okay. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe to the DevOps Desk. See you in the next one.